Happy morning, students. Welcome to grade 10 mathematics class. The same chapter only, algebra. Shall we recall some identities now? These are all very important identities. You should thorough these formulas. Okay, let's listen. The first identity, a plus b the whole square, which equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. The next one, a minus b the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. I think this formula is very familiar for you. What is this? A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Okay, let's come to the next one. A cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. What's the next one? A cube plus b cube, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. In the last class, we solved some problems in exercise 3.5 and I think you completed all the homework problems. Okay, let's see the continuation of exercise 3.5, second Roman, first question. The same simplification, here multiplication only. Okay, we are going to use identities to solve this problem. So read the question. X plus 4 divided by 3x plus 4y into 9x square minus 16y square divided by 2x square plus 3x minus 20. Okay, first I am writing this. Listen. X plus 4 divided by 3x plus 4y into here 9x square. 9. Which number square? 3 square. So 3 square x square minus 16 is the square of 4. So 4 square y square divided by this one cubic polynomial or quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial. So we can factorize into two factors. How can we factorize this? On multiplying we need to get minus 40 and when adding we need to get 3. Can you guess the numbers? 8 and minus 5. Is it okay? Yes. So divided by, here see the variable 2x square. So you should divide it by 2x. So 2x and here also 2x. Possible cancellation? Yes. 1 and 4. So here also we can write the answer. That is x plus 4 into 2x minus 5, which equals x plus 4 divided by 3x plus 4y into here 3 square x square. How can we write this? 3x the whole square minus 4 square y square. How can we write? 4y the whole square divided by x plus 4 into 2x minus 5, which equals, check for the cancellation possibilities. Yes, x plus 4 and x plus 4 gets cancelled. Okay, so 1 by 3x plus 4y into here which identity we need to use? Think of the identities we have learnt. This one a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b, no? So 3x plus 4y into 3x minus 4y divided by 2x minus 5. Then again, is there any possibility to cancel? Yes. 3x plus 4y and here also 3x plus 4y. So what is the final answer? 3x minus 4y divided by 2x minus 5. So this is the answer for this question. Let's see the second subdivision. Read the question. X cube minus y cube. So we can use the identity x cube minus y cube divided by 3x square plus 9xy plus 6y square. And here into x square plus 2xy plus y square divided by x square minus y square. Shall we proceed now? Okay, listen. x cube minus y cube divided by 3x square plus 9xy plus 6y square into here x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is the expansion of, yes, you are guessing right, x plus y the whole square. If we expand x plus y the whole square, we can guess this answer, correct? So I applied this by x square minus y square. Which identity? A square minus b square, which equals a plus b into a minus b. So I am writing x plus y into x minus y. Got it? Which equals, here the identity. Which identity? A cube minus b cube. Tell the answer for this. X minus y into x square plus xy plus y square divided by, here see, any common numbers in the denominator? 3, 9, 6 comes under which table? Third table. So we can take 3 as common. So when we take 3 as common, x square plus 3xy plus 2y square into, here what are the remaining terms? X plus y the whole square divided by x plus y into x minus y. Any possible cancellation? Yes, 2 terms are there. See, x minus y gets cancelled, and x plus y, here 1x plus y will cancel. So remaining 1x plus y will be there. Then x square plus xy plus y square into x plus y divided by 3 into, here now we got one quadratic polynomial. Shall we factorize this? Yes. Listen. Multiplying factor. What is the multiplying factor here? 2y square. It is the sum addition term 3y. Please consider the variable very carefully. X square is the variable. That is x is the variable. So you should not take x here, and you need to take the constant. Here what is the constant? 2y square is the constant. So this is the multiplying factor, and the addition factor is 3y. When we multiply two numbers, we need to get 2y square, and when we add two numbers, we need to get 3y. Can you guess the numbers? Variables also will come, because here y is the variable now. So 2y into y. 2y into y, 2y square. 2y plus y, 3y. Got it? So by x. Then x plus 2y into x plus y. Any other terms are there? No. Then shall we cancel this? So x plus y gets cancelled. What is the final answer? X square plus xy plus y square divided by 3 into x plus 2y. That's all this problem. Okay. Listen, the multiplication of rational expressions concept over. Now division of rational expressions. How can we divide two rational expressions? Listen, here p of x by q of x divided by another rational expression. What is that? R of x divided by s of x. So we should divide it by very simple method. P of x divided by q of x. Just change the division into multiplication. So now I am changing this division into multiplication, and the next thing I am going to do, taking the reciprocal of the second term. What is the reciprocal of R of x by s of x? What is the meaning of reciprocal? Writing the numerator in the place of denominator and denominator in the place of numerator. So you should change the position of this. When we changing the sign, division into multiplication, you should change this, the second term. You want to take the reciprocal of the second term. That means s of x divided by R of x. Just I am giving an example, then you will get better idea. Listen. x plus 5 divided by x plus 7 divided by x plus 5 by x plus 1. How can we divide this? X plus 5 divided by x plus 7. Just I am changing the sign. That is division into multiplication. So into. Now what is the thing I need to do? The second term. I want to change the second term. I want to take the reciprocal of the second term. So here x plus 5 by x plus 1. What is the reciprocal of this? X plus 1 divided by x plus 5. Then think of the possible cancellation. X plus 5 gets cancelled. Then what is the remaining answer? X plus 1 divided by x plus 7. Got it? See the book example. Example 3.16. Find. There are 3 problems are there. Okay. We can solve it by one. See the first question. There is a correction. 14x power y divided by y. See the sign. It is division only. But in the textbook they have root. Just change it. Okay. That is division sign. And put like this. The question. First question only. And 7x divided by 3y power 4. Shall we solve now? Okay. Listen. Solution. 14x power 4 divided by y. First I am writing the question as it is. So 7x divided by 3y power 4, which equals 14x power 4 by y. Now I am changing this division into multiplication. So into. What is the thing I want to do? Want to take the reciprocal of the second term. That means 3y power 4 divided by 7x. Then what is the answer? Any possible cancellation here? Yes. 177. 2 sevens are 14. Then 1x will cancel here and here. From 4x, how many x will remain? 3. So x cube. Then here 1y will cancel. Here also 1y will cancel and remaining 3 will be there. So what is the answer? 2 3s are 6. X cube, y cube divided by 1 into 1 into 1. 1 only. So what is the final answer? 6x cube, y cube. Got it? See the second problem. If you are thorough with the identities, easily you can solve these problems. Okay? Very simple problems only. See the solution. X square minus 16 divided by x plus 4 divided by symbol x minus 4 by x plus 4, which equals x square minus 16 is the square of 4. So 4 square divided by x plus 4. Now I am changing this division into multiplication. Then what will the other change for the second term? Want to take the reciprocal. So x plus 4 by x minus 4. This term will go here and this term will come here. Okay. Then want to use the identity. What is that? X square minus 4 square. A square minus b square. Tell the answer. Correct. A plus b into a minus b. So x plus 4 into x minus 4 divided by x plus 4 into x plus 4 by x minus 4. Any cancellation? Cut the possible terms. X minus 4 gets cancelled. And x plus 4 get cancelled. And what is the final answer? X plus 4. That's all. Very easy now. Okay, see the third question. 16x square minus 2x minus 3 divided by one quadratic polynomial divided by here also 1, here also 1. Okay, by seeing the question itself, see this is one quadratic polynomial. All the terms given are quadratic polynomials only. So which method you need to use? You need to use to factorize the terms. After factorizing, we can write and then we can search for the possible cancellation. Okay, very easy only. Listen. 16x square. First we are going to factorize all the quadratic polynomials one by one. Then we need to substitute. After that we can move for the possible cancellation. That's all. The very important thing is when changing this division sign into multiplication, The only thing you should want to change the second term as reciprocal. Don't disturb the first term. There will be no change in the first term. Whenever you are changing the sign, that is division into multiplication, you should change the second term. You want to write the reciprocal of the second term. Okay, shall we move now? Okay, minus 2x minus 3, which is equal to, then we need to factorize the lowest term, 3x square minus 2x minus 1, which equals, then 8x square plus 11x plus 3, which equals, then 3x square minus 11x minus 4. Okay, shall we proceed now? 16x square minus 2x minus 3, which is equal to, here see, already I wrote. So minus 48 is the multiplication factor and the sum factor is minus 2. Likewise, the remaining 3 terms I wrote like this. Okay, so now you tell the possible factors for this. Whenever you need to multiply, we need to get minus 48, and when we add, we need to get minus 2. Yes, it comes under 6th table, correct? So 6 8s are 48 and the sign minus 8. And here you should divide it by 16 because here 16x square, no? So here also 16x, here also x. After that we can cancel. First we can write all the terms. So minus 3 and minus 2. What are the possibilities? Minus 3 and 1. Here the factor is, the variable is 3. So by 3x. Here also by 3x. Then here for this 24. When we multiply we need to get 24. And when we add we need to get 11. 8 3s are correct. 1 are divided by 8x. Here also 8x. And here at last minus 12 and minus 11. So minus 12 and 1. Is it correct? Yes. So divided by 3x and here also divided by 3x. Now cancel the terms. Listen carefully. Here 6 and 16 comes under which table? Second table. How many times? 3 times, 8 times. Here 8 and 16. 8 table. 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are 16. Here 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Here no cancellation. Here 8 and 8 gets cancelled. Here no cancellation. Here third table 12 comes for 4 times. And here also no cancellation. So now I am going to write all the factors. Listen carefully. Here 8x plus 3 into 2x minus 1. Here also x minus 1, 3x plus 1. Here x plus 1, 8x plus 3. Here x minus 4. Here 3x plus 1. Got it? Okay, fine. Listen. I wrote all the terms, all the factors here. And once again I wrote the question. Now I am going to write the factors here. So 16x square minus 2x minus 3. What is the factors? 8x plus 3 into 2x minus 1 divided by, for this 3x square minus 2x minus 1, x minus 1 into 3x plus 1 divided by, I am not changing the sign now, the next step only I am going to change. So 8x square plus 11x plus 3, x plus 1 into 8x plus 3 divided by, here x minus 4 into 3x plus 1. Correct? Now, listen. 8x plus 3 into 2x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 into 3x plus 1. Now I am going to change this sign. Which sign? Division into multiplication. So what is the thing I want to do? Want to write the reciprocal of the second term. What is the reciprocal of this? X minus 4 into 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 into 8x plus 3. Any cancellation? Check for the cancellation. 8x plus 3, 8x plus 3 gets cancelled. While cancelling, you should be very clear of whether the numbers, one in numerator and another one in denominator. And here 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1 gets cancelled. Shall we write the final answer now? So 2x minus 1 into x minus 4 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 1. Listen. Okay, listen. 2x minus 1 into x minus 4 by x minus 1 into x plus 1. Now think of the bracket multiplication. Already you learnt 2x into x, 2x square. Then 2x into minus 4, minus 8x. Then minus 1 into x, minus into minus. That is plus 1 4 is 4. Divided by this one. Which identity? X minus 1 into x plus 1. X square minus 1 square. That means which identity we used? A minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Then 2x square minus 8x minus x minus 9x plus 4 divided by x square minus 1 square. 1 into 1. So 1. That's all the final answer. Okay. Okay, listen. Exercise 3.5. Already we completed first Roman and second Roman. Now the third Roman first question. Those students who are using last year textbook, please correct the question. Here in the denominator in the last year textbook, it is given that it is 3. So just change it, and those who are using new book, there is no problem. Just follow it. Okay. So 2a square plus 5a plus 3 divided by another one polynomial, then divided by another 2 polynomials given. Shall we do this now? So 2a square plus 5a plus 3. Now need to factorize this. So 1 to multiply when we get 6, and whenever adding we need to get 5. What are the factors? 2 and 3. So divided by here 2a, here also 2a. So easy to cancel, no? So what are the factors? A plus 1 into 2a plus 3. Then what is the next term? 2a square plus 7a plus 6, which is equal to. What is the multiplication factor here? 2 6 are 12 and here 7. So when we multiply two numbers, we need to get 12. When we add those two numbers, we need to get 7. So 4 3s are. Correct? So divided by 2a, here also 2a. While cancelling, this is 2. So a plus 2 into 2a plus 3. Okay, listen. The third term, a square plus 6a plus 5. On factorizing, when we multiply, we need to get 5. And when we are adding, we need to get 6. So 5 1 is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So by A. So what are the factors? A plus 5 into a plus 1. See the last term, minus 5a square minus 35a minus 50. So 5, 35 and 50 comes under which table? Fifth table. So we can take 5 is common. In here also all the three terms having the minus sign. So including the minus, we are taking minus 5 is common. What will be the other terms will come inside? A square plus 7a plus 10. Now we need to factorize this one. Multiplication factor 10 and addition factor 7. Can you guess the numbers? Yes, correct one. 5 2s are 10 and 5 plus 2, 7. So what are the factors? A plus 5 into a plus 2. And again we need to write the question. This is the question given. And here already we found the factors for these two. And just I wrote this. And division symbol. Take care of the symbol very carefully. And just now we factorize this. I am writing this also here. A plus 1 divided by here minus 5 into a plus 5 into a plus 2. And this is the main step. Listen very carefully. A plus 1 into 2a plus 3 divided by a plus 2 into 2a plus 3. Division. I am going to change the sign into multiplication. Then the second term, we want to take the reciprocal. So minus 5 into a plus 5, a plus 2 divided by a plus 5 into a plus 1. Then cancel the possible terms which are equal 2a plus 3, 2a plus 3. Then any other possible cancellation? A plus 1, a plus 1. A plus 5, a plus 5. 2a plus 2, a plus 2. And any other terms remaining? Yes. Minus 5. So minus 5 is the required answer. Okay, listen students. Homework problems. Exercise 3.5, third Roman. The same method only, second and fourth you want to do as a homework. Okay. Now listen the third problem. X plus 2 divided by 4y divided by another two polynomials given. So x plus 2 divided by 4y. Just I am changing the sign, division into multiplication, and I am writing the second term as reciprocal. So 12y square divided by x square minus x minus 6. Okay, listen. The denominator term, since it is a quadratic polynomial, we need to factor this. So multiplication factor is minus 6 and the addition factor is minus 1. These are the possibilities. So what are the factors? X minus 3 into x plus 2. Now check for the cancellation numbers. X plus 2 gets cancelled. Then 1 4 is 4, 3 4s are 12. Any other numbers? Any other variables are there remaining? Y and here y square. So 1y will remain. So what is the final answer? 3y divided by here x minus 3. That's all this question. And compulsorily you need to do the homework. Exercise 3.5 third question. That is second and fourth problem. That's all today's portion. And remaining two problems are there. We can solve in the next class. Okay. Today's portion. Please study today itself. Have a nice day.